cooking with Silas today because Silas's Grandma Brookie is here with us. Yay!
Hi.
Hello, Grandma
Hi,
Brookie.
everybody.
We love our Grandma Brookie, and we're so excited we get to cook with her today, aren't we? Yes. We've been having some holiday fun over here, and we're gonna whip up a quick batch of oatmeal butterscotch cookies today. Mr. Cameron's favorite cookie.
Yeah.
They're my favorite.
They
That's right.
are.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So some of the things we'll need today are oatmeal.
Oatmeal? Yep.
Yep.
Absolutely.
Oatmeal.
Gotta get those oats in.
Yep. Sugar.
Who doesn't love sugar?
Flour.
Ooh, just a little bit of that.
Ooh.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Baking soda. Baking soda. Vanilla. Salt.
And we can't forget butter.
Butter.
Have
Or
butter.
eggs.
And eggs.
And eggs.
All right.
Got those.
All right. So, since he's a Mr. Cameron specialty, he's kind of gonna tell us what we gotta do.
Yeah, we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients together first and get those together, and then
Okay.
we'll beat the eggs and sugar and butter together. So,
All right. So, it looks like we need 1 1/4 cup of flour.
yep, that sounds right.
All right. You want to put some flour in, Buzz? Okay. All right. Here. Oh, yeah.
Here's your spoon, Silas. Get ready to
Yeah,
stir.
move the-
Containers,
we gotta
man.
move the flour container.
Yeah,
to a
we
bigger
do. Okay, you wanna hold this,
container, I
Buzz?
think.
Hold your cup.
Ooh, hold
Okay,
this
I'm just gonna pour it in for you.
Yeah, there we go.
Good job.
Nice.
Yay.
Okay, there's one. Go ahead, give it a
Dump
pour.
it.
Dump. Good
Woo,
job.
nice.
1 and
The other
1/4 cup. All right, we can. This one fits.
Yep, we're gonna
All right,
mix it
can you dump
together.
this one in too, Buzz? Dump it in the bowl.
Very
Good job.
All
All
right.
right, we got our flour. Sai is already mixing.
Now we need our baking soda.
Baking soda.
Yep,
1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Just 1 teaspoon.
Put a teaspoon inside. Oh, this is no. This
No,
is
no, the other one half.
Oh.
We need half for the.
You said a
salt.
half or full?
no, just 1 teaspoon.
Whee!
Good job. All right, you
Good
can mix
job.
it up, buds.
Mix it up.
Now we
Stir,
need
stir.
a half a teaspoon of salt.
Ooh, half a
Here's the
teaspoon.
half.
Half teaspoon. All right. Salt. You like salt, bud? Yeah. Who doesn't like
Yeah.
salt? Who doesn't like a little salt? All right. You want to pour the salt in?
There.
Yeah.
Let me shake, mix that
Stir,
up.
stir,
Mix it
stir.
up.
And then we need a half a teaspoon of cinnamon.
Yep.
You want some cinnamon? You wanna give it a little smell?
Cinnamon.
Does it smell good? Yeah. It sure does.
And the whole time we're just gradually mixing everything together.
Yeah, gradually mixing.
Our goal is to make sure that the salt and the cinnamon and everything gets spread out everywhere. We want to put it
Yeah,
everywhere.
keep mixing, but oh, you love smelling the cinnamon, huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got our dry ingredients.
Nice. So then once these are all stirred up, you'll set this to the side. And then we'll want to get another bowl. And so we'll pull out the other bowl here.
Okay.
Set this one aside.
Yeah, set it over there.
Here's another bowl.
And then we're going to need to put in the butter, the eggs, the sugar.
Ooh.
Butter, egg, sugar. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
I'll start with the butter.
Is the butter softened?
Yes.
Okay, so
We-
soften your butter.
You want to set out your butter about anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour ahead of time. You can also technically, if your microwave's smart enough, you can put it into a softened butter state. Some of those has a button, but it's better just to set it out ahead of time.
So that's 2 full sticks of softened butter coming your way.
And then 2 eggs. Oh, yeah, good job, Si.
Okay,
Yep.
want to help girls crack the egg? You ready? We're going to hit it on the
Little
table
butter.
first.
Now we're having butter.
Ready? Crack the egg.
Woo!
Yay, there we go. Let's do another one. Here
Oh,
we
do
go.
you need, let me get you a wipey. Go ahead, do your other egg and I'll get you a
Ready?
wipey.
Okay, you can help Grandma. Let's help
Ready?
Grandma.
Crack the egg. Right here. Hold on to it. Crack. Up on the bowl. Let's
Yeah.
set it open.
And we'll put the eggs in.
Whoa! Yay!
Good job.
Oh, what'd you get? Now we've got to put it in the
Nice.
garbage. We're gonna put them up here on the tray.
Yeah. Ooh. Okay, and now we need 3/4 of a cup, the blue one right there, of the sugars.
Oh, 3/4 cup of sugar. Here, buddy.
Okay, here's a
Does
quarter.
Grandma help with that?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Oh, a brown sugar. Okay. 3/4
brown
cup
sugar?
of brown sugar and regular sugar.
And
Come on,
regular
here, we have
sugar.
some brown
Oh, here we go,
sugar
Si.
then,
Let's
baby.
wipe our hands a little bit.
Let's see.
There we go.
I need to dig them out.
Whisk. And is his hand dirty too? Okay.
Yeah.
3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. That's a sugar, huh? Gotta have sugar for your cookies. Yeah, that's flour. I don't know if you like that. Yeah.
Okay, help Grandma pack it down. Hold on to this and let's pack it. Gotta pack.
Okay, that
Okay,
looks
you
like a
ready to dump
3/4
it?
cup.
Pour it in.
Let me throw it
Dump
in.
it in.
Yay!
Okay,
Good
now
job.
Right,
regular
now we need
sugar.
the white sugar. Can you hold the thing, Bubba's? Here. Hold it up here.
Let's hold it up here, bud.
I know you got it in your mouth, huh? Okay. Hold it.
Hold it there, thank you.
3/4 cup of white sugar.
Yay!
All right.
Perfect. And we're gonna
Oh, you want to smell it? You want to smell it? Give it a smell.
Smelly. Okay, now we need our vanilla.
Vanilla. Yeah, you
Yes.
love vanilla too. Oh, thank you, buddy. I love your heart.
And I believe we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
1 teaspoon. Is this our one? This is our half teaspoon.
The other one's right.
Here we go. Okay, bud, can you hold this for me? Right here? Oh, wait till you smell this. Ooh, smell that. Does that smell good? Yeah, it doesn't taste that good.
Yeah.
Here we go. 1 teaspoon of. Oh, give it a little smell.
No more snippy.
Right.
Perfect.
All
Okay.
right, are you ready to stir?
Good job.
And then, oh, we forgot to add that we need our butterscotch in our ingredients list. Our butterscotch morsels.
Of course, our morsels. Yeah.
Our morsels.
We're
I mean,
just
that's
following
like-
the recipe on the back of the
That's
bag
the big
there.
thing. Yeah, this isn't a big
Okay.
secret recipe
Okay.
or
Ready to
anything.
mix? You
Okay,
mix?
now we're gonna
Okay,
mix.
let's see. We need stir in oats and morsels. All right, let's get our morsels. 1 2/3 cup.
Well, this after we put everything together, right?
Oh,
It's everything together.
Oh, see,
First, we gotta mix this
he
together.
knows how to mix it. Yeah, mix it together.
So,
yeah,
if you have a beater, that works really well too.
Last time we used a beater, so I was
Who's
pretty
that?
terrified of it.
Yeah.
Is that
So,
Grandpa Mark?
Oh, Grandpa Mark!
Hi, Grandpa Mark.
You want to stir, bud? Yeah?
wanna stir?
Give it a little stir.
Oh, you're so strong.
Stir,
Stir it up.
big.
Stir it up.
Stir it up.
Yeah.
Grandpa Mark and Grandma Cookie.
It smells good. Can you smell it? That's Dada. Yeah, that's Silas. Yeah.
What's going? Oh, that's Mama. Mama.
Mama. Grandma Good.
Yeah.
Grandpa Mark.
Yeah. Oh, you're back in Dada.
Right.
Okay.
All right, ready to start putting
Stir in our dry
Okay.
ingredients.
Okay, you ready?
All right, so now we're just going to slowly dump our dry ingredients in as we stir it into our wet
Okay, you want to stir
ingredients.
some more?
You want to stir, Beth?
Stir.
Yeah. We're gonna put the rest of it in there.
Ready?
Put them in it. Yep. And then we're gonna fold it all together.
Fold.
That's the key.
Now,
here.
what's the difference, Mr. Cameron, between folding and stirring?
So folding, the goal is to just kind of fold it on top of each other, taking the bottom and folding it back up on top. Where stirring is more of a, I guess it's the motion of it
Circular?
all. Yeah, but you're gonna have to do a little bit of both here. The goal is just to get everything mixed together before we put in the oats and the butterscotch. Ooh. So we're creating the base of the batter right here. Yeah.
Right.
After a
So
couple
how many
good
oats?
stirs and folds.
1 2/3.
Perfect. Now roll over
Perfect.
guys.
Perfect.
Ooh,
Awesome.
that smells good already.
You wanna smell it?
Can I smell? Ooh.
Yummy.
Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Maybe it needs to smell
Okay.
good. Okay. Are we ready for morsels?
Daddy.
Yeah, we go ahead and add in actually the morsels and the 3 cups of
You want
oats.
to try one of these? A morsel.
Yummy.
Oh, yummy morsels
Try
of
these morsels,
butterscotch.
bud.
Oh, is it yummy? Happy feet?
That's what I
Happy
thought.
feet?
That's what I thought. Here, have a morsel.
Ooh, happy feet.
Yay.
There you go. All right, so we need 1 2/3 cup
I think it should be the whole bag.
Oh, it's the whole bag?
Should be the whole bag.
Oh, 11-ounce package.
Yeah.
Never know.
Oh, all right. Then we're just going to pour our whole
Whole bag
bag
in
in.
there, yeah.
Sai, you want to pour the bag in? Oh, you want more? Okay, I'm going to take out a couple for Sai, okay, to keep him interested. All right, can you pour this in, and then I'll give you more? Yeah. Go ahead, give it a dump. Dump. He just wants more. Ooh, there's a lot of morsels. Okay, we're going to take it. Sometimes you
And then I
need...
think it's 3 cups of oats. Remember,
I know.
is that what it says on the back there?
Yes,
Bethany?
3 cups.
Okay.
Cups
Yep,
of oats.
3 cups of oats. Okay, I'll give you more, but I need your help first. Hold it up. I know you want more. I'm gonna give you more in just a sec. Okay, jump. Okay, there's 1.
Yeah.
Oh, we need more help. More
Good
help.
job.
Hold it. Delayed gratification. Okay, jump. Good job. Okay, 1 more. 1 more. Hold it 1 more
That's a
time.
lot of oats, huh?
It's a lot of oats, and then you get more morsels. Oh,
Wow.
okay. 3 cups of
Okay,
oats.
now we're just stirring all this together, and whether you're folding or stirring, the goal is just to mix it all up. All right.
Mix it. We do a mix it.
So maybe it's, yeah, exactly. Maybe we have to put on a mixing tune.
Mix it. Oh, we forgot. You have to preheat your oven. 375. Sorry. I always forget to tell him that. More. Sai has actually learned how to say the word more. Yay! He's learning lots of words now. Okay. So what do we have to do now, Mr. Cameron?
So now we get to put them in little balls. We're gonna throw them on some baking sheets.
The balls.
Yeah. So we actually need to get cooking spray.
Cooking spray.
Grandma, could you grab us the cooking spray over there by the oven? Thank you so much.
It's on the left side of the oven.
Okay, so we're gonna spray the pans down. The goal there is just so the cookies don't stick to the pan. We need to be able to get the cookies off the pan when they're out of the oven, so we can eat them.
Totally.
Yeah, oh, they're so nummy. Oh, yeah,
Oh, we love cookies. Thanks,
Yes.
Grandma Mark. Do you want to step in and give a little wave?
Say
Grandma
hi.
We love having Grandma and Grandpa here.
So lightly spray the pan, and you're gonna need at least 2 of them. So let's get this other pan
2
together.
pans.
Take those guys off, sure.
Okay.
Okay.
More.
And then we're gonna make little bowls out of this and throw them on the pan there.
Okay.
Grandma, wanna jump on in? Or how are you feeling?
Okay. I'll jump on.
Yeah, we're just gonna make little balls. So now you're just gonna take these, and like I said, the goal is to make little, maybe smaller than about a golf ball or smaller size. Okay.
Or smaller.
All right, and then you want to give at least an inch, if not 2 inches, between each of these, so they don't melt together into one big cookie. All right.
When you're making your balls, you have flat hands. You can roll them together like this until they're a ball. This is a good fine motor activity.
Yeah.
And if they're not perfectly round, that's okay too. They're still going to be delicious. Okay.
More. Silas needs more morsels.
More
Morsels for the guy. More morsels. As we roll our cookie balls. More. Oh, you're silly. You're so silly. Right. Roll in the ball. Oh, I got sticky, messy hands. This is a good sensory activity, too.
Yeah, your hands are going to get gooey. Make sure you wash your hands really good beforehand.
Yeah.
A little too late now, but you know.
That's a little too late.
We'll just call it flavor. We'll add into this. No big deal.
More morsels.
It's so delicious. Yes, it is.
We love the morsels. Yes, we do. More. You're not even finished with that. And you want more? Yeah. Oh my gosh, my hands are so sticky.
Yeah, and if your hands are getting really sticky like Miss Bethany's, you can actually put a little bit of flour on your hands ahead of time, rub it together, and that flour will help the dough from sticking to your hands.
Yep. True.
So little tips of the trade here.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Grandma, you knocked this whole
Oh
tray
my goodness,
already.
Grandma, you're way quicker than me.
She's the fastest cooker we've ever
geez,
seen.
look at
Oh
that.
my God, Sally, can you believe it?
Yeah.
I
Of
know.
course,
Yeah.
Grandma knows how to do this.
Oh, can we get Grandma?
Have a grab a kiss. Kiss it, kiss.
He's like, if you give me one of those, yeah, I
If I give you more,
He's
Yeah,
"Oh,
if you
I
give
wanna
me
become
more."
one of these bugs.
Yeah. Okay, I think we gotta move him a little closer.
Yeah, it's okay.
You get Nancy.
It's okay.
Yummy nom.
Nummy. Oh, is that cookie dough so nummy?
All right.
Sometimes you have to give a little bit of a taste before we get these cookies done, just to make sure everything's tasting right. Don't eat too much.
You
Okay.
got a bellyache.
You get bellyache, so there's uncooked eggs in there. Okay, wow, we got 2 whole trays done.
Whoa!
Okay, we still have a little bit of dough left, but that's okay.
Yep.
We're still gonna get these cookies going, and then we'll come back and go from there. All right. So
Alright.
should we throw them in the oven, Miss Bethany?
Throw them in the oven.
Okay.
And how
here
long
we
are
go.
we baking these for, Mr. Cameron?
I think it's gonna be 11 to 12 minutes, if I remember
Ooh,
correctly.
11 to
What's the
12.
package?
Let's just consult the back of the package here. Okay, no, it says 7 to 8 minutes for chewy cookies or 9 to 10 minutes for crispy.
Oh,
I
okay.
think we like chewy, eh?
Sure. We'll shoot for 9 minutes.
Okay.
then. We'll shoot for 9
No, the
minutes.
7 to 8 is chewy.
Oh, we'll shoot for 8 minutes.
But you can check it as you go.
Yeah.
I would say check it at 7 or 8 minutes if you like them chewy. All right, should we put our cookies in the oven side?
Yeah. Okay. Let's do
All
it.
right, here we go.
Okay.
Oh, our oven's definitely not going to be big enough for 2 pans, is it? Yeah, okay, we're going to pick them up. Woo! Ready? Ready,
Here we
Silas?
go. Let's throw them in the oven.
Let's throw them in the oven. You want to help me? Yeah. Okay, ready? Put them in the oven. Oh, my balls! Oh, goodness. Oh, geez, we need a real oven for this, don't we, Si? Yeah. Okay, we
Okay.
can't even pretend here. 7 to 8 minutes in the oven for chewy cookies. Here we go! Alright, friends, we have taken our cookies out of the oven. How long did we put them in for, Mr. Cameron?
Roughly 9.5 minutes.
9.5 minutes. And they're still soft and chewy.
Mhm.
So, take that as you will.
Yeah. Yeah. Gonna vary by oven.
Are we ready?
So we're gonna do a taste test. Here it goes.
Taste
For a
test.
taste test.
All right,
You
Si.
ready,
Yep. We're
Silas?
gonna like you want.
Ready? Let's see. Is it good? Is it happy
Let's do
dance?
a happy dance
worthy?
worthy.
Let's see.
Did we get happy dance?
It is ready! Okay, I was
Delicious.
So
we
once
try?
once the cookies have cooled, what you're gonna want to do is put them in a container with a paper towel underneath, and then a little tricks of the trade here. You want to take a little piece of bread, probably the end, like the end loaf of the bread, wrap that in a paper towel, and set that on top of the cookies once they're all in there. With the lid on top and the bread in there, it's gonna keep the cookies soft for like a week. So you have a long time of making sure you get these cookies go through. So little tricks of the trade there. So Mom, you wanna try the cookies?
Let's try the
Let's
cookies.
try
I'm
them
gonna
out.
try
Yeah,
it.
jump on in.
Mmm. Delicious as usual, Mr.
Oh yeah,
Cameron.
very good. Thank you.
Yeah.
Par for the course here.
Good
It's
job,
delicious.
Silas. Good
Oh,
job.
I'm gonna
great
wipe
job.
them out.
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
Great job.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Yay.
we've had a great time cooking with Grandma Brookie. Thanks
Yeah.
for joining
Thanks for
us.
joining
Thank you for
us.
having me.
Yeah.
Love you.
Yeah. Do you want to try
Mwah.
the
You want my cookies? No?
No.
Okay. Can we say bye-bye to our friends?
Bye-bye.
Oh, he learned how to say bye-bye too. Ready? Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, friends. See you next time.
See you later.